G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's the natural gas update, and I've also included a few shares here with Boyle, UNG and KOLD. So let's get stuck first off into the natural gas commodity price. So you can see here we're still on the weekly, daily and hourly, we're still predominantly in a bearish outlook. I won't go through all these in too much detail. You can see there on the daily, we've hit this resistance there at 22.58. Compared to yesterday's price, was just above that, and it's bounced off that, and we've got the CCI 150 and the CCI 400 still trending downwards. And the 150, if you're new to the channel, is predominantly a divergence indicator. You can see there was a divergence there between those lower highs versus those higher highs on the price, and the CCI 400 is predominantly a trend indicator. On the hourly, however, on the you see there on the price, it's hitting a double bottom. It's just poked its nose through that bottom support level. But you'll notice here we've got a bullish divergence compared to those lower lows on the price versus the higher lows on the CCI 150. We did have a bullish divergence back here. It retraced slightly, penetrated that target area, and it fell further down. This is our secondary divergence you can see there. And if I move that to that new low, and that just indicates by that new double bottom, as I said, that's where we finished last time. It made a bit of a bounce but didn't penetrate our target area. Now the CCI 400 is still trending pretty much downwards. You can see there it's just fluctuating above and below moving averages, but nothing too significant. So you can see there overall, with this slight exception of this CCI 150 on the hourly, the overall trend is bearish. Now if we go to the next chart, which will be ProShares Ultra DJ UBS, and I'm showing you these as we toggle between the PowerPoint and the charts here. You can see this is Boyle, B-O-I-L. Again, this is showing a slightly better indicator for the share price. The CCI 400 is moving fairly bullish at the moment on the daily. Likewise, it's broken above on the weekly. However, just notice on the CCI 150, it's pretty strong downtrend with a slight bounce, as I said, off that support. Similarly, that's 23.80. And on the hourly, again, it's double bottom as per the commodity price. And we do have a bullish divergence on the CCI 150, and the CCI 400 is pretty much trending sideways. So that's the Pro UltraShares price, the BOIL. Next, we're going to look at UNG, and that's United States Natural Gas Fund. So what we've got now on the chart, you can see here, similar sort of story to the commodity price. It's broken down on the daily. It's still broken down on the weekly as well, although hitting this support at 453. We do have a slightly lower low on the CCI 150 versus the price. Now if that breaks much lower than that, I'm going to invalidate that divergence. But at the moment that's still alive. It could possibly break to the upside, but it's not looking too positive based on the overall trend of the price. So not looking too confident on that one. Next, we're going to look at the ProShares UltraShort Bloomberg, KOLD, and that's basically the short version of it. So you can see there the CCI 400 is broken below the moving average of the weekly. The CCI 400 is broken and pretty strong uptrend on the 150 as well as the 400 on the daily, and again it's hit that resistance at 115.60. And on the hourly, again double top, basically in reverse of what the other charts are showing. And we do have a pretty much a double top, double highs, if you like, on the CCI 150 in response to the price action on that divergence. So bearish divergence there potentially, and we've drawn a target area should it bounce to the downside. Again, no real sort of, apart from that divergence, there's no other indicator of a bearish outlook yet. The weekly is showing a bearish momentum, but on the lower time frames, nothing's sort of dramatic happening yet. We want to see it break pretty substantially below this resistance to have any positive outlook. So that's where we are on those three charts. So if you got value out of the video, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.